Hi, KMS. This is Mrs. Hines. White team, it's your first day in Tech 8. Welcome. You're halfway through your 8th grade year here at KMS. So we're starting third quarter off with tech. What does that mean for you? We're going to be doing a hands-on, remote learning, project-based STEM course. What that will mean is changing on the daily basis. So let me explain the best way to grade you for that. The best way that you're going to get graded that I know of is that you're going to showcase your work. And you're going to do that by making a portfolio. A portfolio, my portfolio looks like this. This is a Google site. I've been a tech teacher. This is my 16th year teaching. So I've taught these topics before. I've never taught a hybrid class. I'm not sure what our schedule exactly look like. We're starting off the quarter remote. So we're going to be meeting every day at 7:50 or at 8:15, depending on your group. What do I mean by meeting? We're going to be on Google Classroom. So on Google Classroom, folks, we'll walk you through it today, but basically there's going to be a meet that's going to be posted on the stream. Please click on that link and you'll be able to see other kids in your white team, and we're all going to do weekly STEM projects. Every day you're going to log in and also check the daily assignment. Please watch the directions. Please read the directions. Please complete the assignment by 2 p.m. for attendance purposes. Okay, you get you want to be here every day for attendance. This is how you do it. You get graded once a week. How do you get graded again? That's right, your portfolio. So folks, you're going to set up a portfolio today. This portfolio is going to have a home page, and then you're going to have multiple pages about the different units that we study. On your home page, it's going to say Technology 8 Portfolio with your name. That's all you have to do today. Okay, so I'll show you how to set that up in a second. Again, I said that my portfolio is a different Google site. Again, I've taught different topics. So if you want to see, perhaps you're interested in robotics, you can go to my robotics page and find some resources there. Okay, so for today's assignment, guys, you're going to need to log into Chrome. So I'm going to start you off. You're in Chrome, right? You're going to please open up your Google Drive. Your Google Drive is someplace where you can store files. Those files can be any sort of files. Google makes a lot of different products, different apps that we use. So we'll be using Google Slides, Google Forms, Google Sheets, Google Docs. But you can store other files. We have a 3D printer. We have a laser engraver. So in your Drive, you're going to create a Google site. It looks like this symbol right here. So I'm going to go to a folder just so I can keep things organized. And you're going to click on this top left, this new. Please click on more. And the third option down is Google Sites. This is going to be how you create your portfolio the same way. This is creating a website. You'll have different pages. This will be updated weekly. Okay, so we'll have daily assignments that you'll do, and then once a week, you'll just post the evidence on your page. So please put your first and last name here. Okay, so I would put like Courtney Hines. And technology portfolio. If it is underlined in red, you probably spelled it incorrectly. Take the time to fix those things today. Okay. Now, I would like you to, underneath where this is white, double click, and you're going to add a text box. And you're going to type mission statement. What is your goal for tech class? In 8th grade, you've been in tech before. You've been in the building before. Tech is supposed to be the place where you have access to tools and machines. You'll still have that, just different this year. We'll be doing a variety of topics. Those things are all found on Google Classroom. So you might not know what to put for this mission statement yet. But if you have something that you're really interested in, like you're really interested in coding, you're really interested in robotics, you're really interested in woodworking, you're really interested in the trades, whatever it happens to be, write that here. I would like to know that as soon as possible. Okay. Up top here, which says untitled site, you're going to name that your student ID number. So whatever that happens to be, you're going to put that like 144, whatever number that is, up here. Okay. And then you're going to click this blue publish button. Okay, in the top right. It says, are you sure you want to publish your site? Yes, you are. So you'll hit publish. Okay, that's all you have to do. Your tech portfolio right now has nothing on it other than your name. Okay, if you'd like to add the text box and add that mission statement, that would be awesome. But all I need for today is that you created a Google site in your Google Drive and you titled it with your first and last name and technology portfolio, and you named it your student ID number. Up at the top right, after you publish it once, you now have options for this publishing. Please view that published site. This opens up yet another tab. Okay, you're going to take this URL up top here. You're going to highlight it and you're going to copy it. Okay, on Google Classroom. That's where all your resources for tech are. Okay, so on Google Classroom, I'm just going to view this as you would. You're going to put your first and last name, what group you're in, and then this is your tech portfolio. Okay, you're going to write yours in here and please click submit. Okay, so folks, it's really nice to virtually meet you today. Your goal for today is to set up that portfolio. There are written directions. The only thing that's on your portfolio is your name. So again, you did that by opening up your Google Drive. Okay, in your Google Drive, you clicked new, you clicked more, and that Google site. You named it your first and last name and you published it. Please join me for a live stream Monday morning, 7:50 and 8:15. We have a new schedule this week, so I'll probably be catching up with a lot of you. Please check your email. Please check in on the Google Meet for attendance purposes, and please check out the rest of Google Classroom. All right, thanks, White Team, and it was great to see you. Happy Monday.